You can easily sync up your Google Calendar events with other applications as well by using the iCal URL. So to do that, I'm going to go around into settings in my Google Calendar, and then I'm going to go around into settings menu right here. Then I'm going to select the calendar that I want to sync up. Once I select that, I'm going to go around over here and copy out the URL right here. So it says so it wants you not to actually give this out to anybody else if you don't trust them. So anyways, I copied that out, and over here in my Outlook, which is the example that I'm taking, I'm going to click on add and I'm going to select from internet. I'm going to paste the URL right here, press OK, and you can see that immediately the calendar has been synced up and all the events that you have in your Google Calendar is right here. You can see the email address right here, and you can see all the meetings, all the events right here, as you can see in Outlook. And if you were to make any changes over here, then it'll be automatically synced up right here. And that is how you can add up calendars inside your desktop applications and sync them up. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.